What do you think will happen if rates actually start to come down?
Rates do go up and go down, okay? Over the past year and a half or so, it depends upon where you read. There's a lot of different averages. Now, for us, Baldo, here, we're in New York. We're in New Jersey. We're in very densely populated areas. But as rates go down, I think the values of homes are going to skyrocket. And this is for New York and New Jersey specifically, okay? It's not for the middle of the country because right now we have a supply issue. We don't have enough land in New York to continue to build and build out. We keep building up, not out. So while we have a desire and a need and a want to have more homes, there's just not enough space. So in that case, supply is going to stay low, and as the rates drop, more people are going to come out of the woodworks to people that have been waiting for the lower rates, but what they're not realizing is that the values are going up just as fast.
Yeah.
So as rates are coming down, values are going up. Like when we were younger, seesaw, one side goes up, one goes down. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
So their buying power is more, but they're buying the same house that they could qualify for right now.
Yeah.